Integrating sound effects into your comics can significantly enhance both the narrative and reader experience. Think of sound effects as an auditory layer that adds depth to your visuals. They can convey action, emotion, and tone, creating an immersive environment for your audience. Use onomatopoeia like bam, whoosh, and crash to evoke specific sensations. Placement is key, as the positioning of sound effects can guide the reader's eye and influence pacing. Experiment with font styles and sizes. Bold letters can emphasize loud sounds, while softer scripts can represent quieter moments. Elevate your storytelling with thoughtful sound effects and watch your comic come alive. For a hands-on experience, check out our blank comic books called Epic Sketch.